What's up YouTube, welcome back to Crafting Cars. Today we're going to be finishing up on the block, taking all of the main bearings out, as well as all the remainder of the seals and whatnot, getting this ready to be sent out to the machine shop, and then finally we're going to start tearing some of the body pieces off, or interior pieces rather, out of the RX-7, bring them into the garage, going to turn the heater on, we're going to start cleaning everything up. One thing I forgot to do is show you guys what condition the motor is in at the end of the last video, so insert slow-mo. Okay, so I hope you guys like that little montage and whatnot. Yeah, that's pretty much the state of the engine right now. So the last couple of things that we have here is like this front oil seal here. That just pops right off. The surface actually looks pretty good. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Alright, one last thing I forgot is this little plunger right here. It looks like orange plastic right there. So I think I need to take this plug here off. So just gonna stick an Allen wrench on there and try and come on. Woo! There it goes. Yeah, that's tight. And we'll just pop that out real quick. Come here, boys. So now that that's out, I don't know if you guys can see that, this little plastic piece. I gotta try and figure out how I'm gonna push it out. Stay tuned. I really gotta stop shutting that camera off. So basically I just used my pick, and this has got a little 45 on her. So I just stuck it down in there and whoop, and went, popped right out. Alright, so I do have a new one here. This one's all billet and stuff, so I'm not worried about damaging this one because it's old and crusty anyway. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some dikes to it to get some more clearance here. Boop. And then I can just hopefully pull the rest out. There it is. So that's what it looks like. Not really the biggest fan of the plastic ones. A lot of the drifters and stuff will run the billet one. Just for ease of mind and stuff. But yeah, so now that that's out, let's pull these bearings out. One thing that I do want to clarify is just that the reason I'm not taking any scrapers or anything of this to get any of the head gasket residue off the rest of the way is that I'm sending this block out to the machine shop to get the head resurfaced and everything, and the block. So there's really no point in me possibly denting it or scoring the surface of this head if they're just going to go through and take a machine to it anyways. The last thing that I could do is pull these dowel pins and stuff, the alignment pins, but again, the machine shop can do that anyway. So yeah, this block is pretty much all set and ready to go. I just need to take off my bolts and whatnot, but yeah, this one is set to go, so I'm going to set this off to the side. Okay guys, so to take these seats out, just like any other seat, there's going to be 4 bolts So I'm going to slide the seat all the way back so I have access to them. They're going to be 214s. So as you can see, with the seat gone, I am making out like a bandit and making my money back on this project car. That's like $1 and a nickel. Alrighty guys, so as you see, I got the seats in the garage right now. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go over them with the vacuum cleaner, real thorough vacuuming, trying to get in all the nooks and crannies, get the majority of all the debris out. And then once that's done, then I have here this is some like pet stuff, but it smells good, it hides the odor real well, and takes care of mold. So I'm going to put this in the carpet cleaner. I have a little wand in this bag thing so I can do it by hand and whatnot, and really get in there, hopefully saturate everything, get everything all sucked out. I got the heater going, so the ambient temperature in the garage is going to be real high. That way these won't mold again while they're drying. So I'm not going to bore you guys with step by step other than this explanation. So I'm going to throw you on a time lapse and let's knock these out. Alrighty, with that being said, guys, if you made it this far, I appreciate you sticking around. Hopefully that dumping of dirty water was as satisfying for you as it was for me to watch. Yeah, incredibly happy with how these turned out. Saved the seats. My garage smells great, the seats smell great, super happy with that. So it's nice to get these done and knocked out of the way. The block is finally done, ready to be sent to the machine shop. We accomplished a lot today. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to keep plugging away at the interior of the car for now until we get the block back. With that being said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye-bye.